This is 1720 Lombard Street, large apartment building in Philadelphia. Bordering the Rittenhouse Square and Graduate Hospital neighborhoods. Beautiful tree-lined street. Rittenhouse Square is just a couple blocks north. Beautifully maintained apartment building. Very secure and safe. Code entry to access. This is some of the common area. Really pretty landscaping. A lot of very unique, character-filled apartments. This is the property. And really pretty. Yeah, there's all sorts of units here. This is the entrance from most of the units. There are some entrances along here. And one apartment in there. This is the mail area. How you doing? This is the mail area. Second locked door here. On every floor there's a trash chute. Okay, right there. This is the elevator to get to many of the units. Enter. Now we're going to the basement to show you the additional laundry services. Right here, some additional laundry services. Most of the units have stackable washer and dryer inside the unit. Okay. There is recycling in here, but trash can be dropped through the chute. Tons of security throughout. You'll see lots of cameras. And that is the majority of the common space. Now we're going to head up onto the unit floors for whichever apartment you're viewing now.
Hey everyone, I'm here on the second floor. Just came out of the elevator. On your left, you have the exit. I'm about to show you a studio apartment on the second floor. Here, just in a hallway, you have this trash chute, just right next to the elevator. This is the hallway. You have a lot of natural lights, windows also. I mean, it's bright, a lot of lights, and also windows for a natural light. The unit I'm about to show you is unit number 203, which is this. And here you have the stairs to go down to the first floor. Can go up or down. This is a fire exit. Let's get inside the unit and see what it looks like. As I open the door, as usual for this building, you have this beautiful hardwood floor, very high ceiling. Yes, here is the door I just came in. when you come in on your right, you have this closet space, nice size closet space for your jackets or other stuff. Just left it open for the video. Then you have your living space. It's a very big size for the studio. It's with 3 huge windows for a natural light. You'll be looking out to the courtyard. It's beautiful view. You get a lot of natural light for your plants also. This is what the unit looks like from this angle. You have your kitchen on the right, and also where I stand, you have this huge closet space. You could store a lot of space, stuff in here. It's very high and big closet space. Then I turn to my kitchen. The kitchen, in a kitchen you have a dishwasher, a garbage disposal, a refrigerator, a lot of cabinet storage space, as you could see. You also have a built-in microwave, gas oven and cooktop. This is the area the current tenant using it as a living space for entertainment, and he has his bed here. You could do your thing when you move in. Then on your right you have your bathroom. In a bathroom you have this very nice tile floor, huge, very huge medicine cabinet, and nice tile wall, beautiful bathtub and shower combo. You also have additional mirror on your left side, looking to the bathtub. On your right you have this huge medicine cabinet. This is all right. This is the view from this side of the house. All right, I just showed you a studio apartment in the Beekman's Place. This building is located at 1720 Lombard Street. I hope you love the unit. I hope you like the video. I thank you for watching. Bye.